Machine learning, semantic distance, multidimensional arrays. It's easy to treat AI like black magic, but beneath the interface, these systems are simply the high-speed choreography of fundamental data structures and math. There is a wall every developer hits: the realization that knowing Python syntax is a world away from engineering a solution. It's the moment a script that worked for 10 users completely chokes when it hits a million rows. Data structures and algorithms in Python for beginners targets this exact friction, positioning Chapter 17 as the bridge to a new way of thinking. It strips away the academic jargon to focus exclusively on the logic of the machine. This is the curriculum designed to take a developer across the canyon, moving from mere scripting toward the architecture required for true AI. Traditional keyword searches fail because they can't interpret the messy reality of human intent. Success requires translating abstract ideas into strict numerical coordinates. This is where vectors come into play, mapping relationships in a dimensional space where the computer identifies meaning without reading a letter. By deploying cosine similarity and the dot product, an engine calculates semantic distance to match a customer's desire with mathematical precision. Mastering these mechanics is the secret weapon for developers aiming at top-tier tech companies. The magic of recommendation engines is actually the culmination of arrays, loops, and mathematical discipline. You cannot build the advanced AI bridge without first mastering the foundational structures that hold the data together. In the real world, you battle the triangle of frustration: latency, memory, scalability. This isn't a fragile cookbook of interview answers. It's an engineering curriculum that forces you to build every solution from scratch. You'll tackle the complex routing and inventory logic used in massive logistics networks. You'll engineer dynamic arrays and restricted flows, so the application never loses its place in memory. By the time you're forging trees and self-balancing trees, you've stopped writing scripts and started architecting high-performance data systems. The choice is simple: continue writing scripts that freeze under pressure, or master the physics of software to engineer like a senior architect. The blueprints for that transition are now within reach. Discover data structures and algorithms in Python for beginners, from authors Sharanam Shah and Vaishali Shah. Scan the code to download the complete code repository and master the arsenal of the professional engineer. Continue the journey at sharanamshah.com.